Welcome to moving day one.
Looks like this is the first official s'more.
The first s'more in the new house. Good morning everyone, welcome to moving day one. This is my official moving vlog. The movers are getting here in like an hour and I just made some coffee and I am so freaking excited. I'm sorry for the music. I'm sad to be leaving this place. This has been such a good place. If you guys are wondering, I lived at the Olive downtown LA. I was the first tenant, which was like really exciting, so I just love this place. And the front desk is amazing. Terry, love her. We literally had a guest list of literally 23 people and they knew like all my friends' names. It was just amazing. Like I loved it here. Get more coffee. Also, if you guys are looking for a realtor in the LA area, Steve Roman is the best. That's who I use and I will like link his stuff down below. I feel like that's something people don't talk about on YouTube much, but like that was literally the most helpful. Thank you, Steve. We would not have had this house without him, so he's the best. I'll put his contact info down below. If you guys are new, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna be posting a ton of moving vlogs and a ton of like redoing my house and all of that. I'm literally so excited. How am I gonna do this? So much stuff. This is the last day with this view. So cute. This is actually a good view, I will say. It's way too bright, but new merch. Check it out. Say hello. How excited are you for the new house?
Very excited.
Very, very excited. Are you staring at yourself?
I can't see what's going on. It is a glare.
Anyways, but new merch. Everything is out. Check it out. Comment down below if you picked it up. Coco won't shut up. I'm stressed out. I want to be out of this apartment. So my movers told me that it was going to take 2 hours to pack up all my stuff. Now we're on hour 3 and I think there's going to be another hour and it's just kind of annoying. I'm not trying to complain, but I'm just like, you're always taken advantage of as a girl and it's really annoying. There's my movers though. Anyways, they're taking a lot longer than we expected, which sucks, but I'm gonna get a coffee with oat milk. I don't even know if I've talked about oat milk yet in vlogs. I think I did in my college week of my life. I am literally obsessed with oat milk. It's changed my entire life. I sound so annoying. I'm vlogging and probably talking about oat milk. Okay. We're leaving. I have my cold brew with my oat milk, first priority. Oh my gosh. My other priority. Whew. This is like weird, but I also have this apartment until the 18th and this is just the first. So like I'm gonna be back. That's why there's things that are still there. I'm gonna like move a few things because honestly the movers were like just, I don't know. I know at least I like have movers and like I'm really grateful, but I mean I'm paying them. So it's like, anyways, gonna head on over to the new house. So excited. Look who's here! Meg came to keep me company. We're getting pad thai right now. Got some chicken pad thai. Oh yeah, thank you so much. She got soup.
You can yolk too.
Oh, a Yelp too? Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, on Yelp.
Oh, we're on it.
I love a good Yelp.
Cute. We do love our Yelp reviews. Throwback. Guys. Oh no, wrong one. Okay. It is now 6 p.m. I don't know how much I've vlogged of just the moving. Honestly, the movers took really long and they definitely took advantage of us, but it's fine. What is wrong with my skin? Megan just left and we said our goodbyes because she was off to Oregon, so it was really, really sad, but I'm exhausted. Everything's moved in. So like my room is way bigger than I like thought. Like it's way bigger. So I just have everything set up. This is gonna be like my vanity area. I'm getting new bedding. I'm gonna get a neon sign there. All of this stuff needs to be sorted out and put into those drawers. And then this is my closet. It's super, super cute. I have all these hangers and I'm gonna give to Joe. I just have so much freaking stuff. Moving over here. So over here, this is my office. It's like really big. Like it's huge. My desk is gonna go here with my iMac and everything. Hey guys. Yeah, it's really big. I have like I'm literally doing so much with it, but it looks cute and we have the couch and everything, but we're definitely gonna be moving this couch because it's like super weird. Like I don't know what the movers were doing. Over here is gonna be like a studio space. So Justin's gonna have like his music stuff, and it's actually really big. You can't even tell how big it is. And then Joe's gonna have like whatever he wants for photography. So they have like a workspace as well. And yeah, we need to get like a bigger kitchen table here. We're gonna replace that. And then like the kitchen is like really, really big. It's an older house, but I like love it. It's so cozy and the layout couldn't be better. Like literally could not be better. So yeah. Progress has been made. Also, okay, so above here there's gonna be a neon sign that is gonna say like where love lives. It's gonna be super cute, but the light bulb in there is yellow right now, so I could change it to any colored light bulb if I wanted. It's way more yellow on camera than in real life, but what do you guys think I should do? Anyways, I've just been cleaning up all this mess, and then I put my shoe rack right here, which is gonna be amazing. I think I'm gonna put like cute shoes I want on decor maybe up there. I don't know, I'm just gonna put stuff that I just don't need up there, I guess. But yeah, like I just love it. Hey girl. Guys, I got a battle wound. It looks like a cat scratched me. Something cut me. Look who's over. Hannah. Okay, so we are just running some errands. What is it? Oh, that is very cute, I will say. That's actually very cute. Looks like something you'd see at like Lush. So we're at the convenience store and I need to get tape, hopefully a knife. I don't really know what else. I'm just gonna kind of look. Yeah. And just like see. I can't believe I got hand sanitizer? I actually have hand sanitizer.
Arm. Do you need bandages
that would be so painful.
arm?
No, it's not like that bad. It's getting there though, but it's not that bad. There's a little doggy aisle. Oh my gosh, should I get Coco one? Oh, this one. Oh,
So good.
I have to get her that. I absolutely have to get her that. She hasn't really done anything good today, but. More updates, everyone. So, just noticed my cushions are definitely on here. This just all needs to be moved. There are still a lot of boxes. And then, oh, you know what? Can we move my desk into my office? That could be fun. So I've just been moving things over and over. There's gonna be a couch and stuff here. Yeah.
Box.
I was literally about to say the most helpful thing ever is keeping the iMac box because
How are you gonna? You're gonna plug this in.
insane. Freaking me out so bad. Look at here. That's cute. Oh my gosh, the
Can I
confetti.
do it?
No, it's gonna make such a mess.
So
We do it.
I think we should.
Maybe on the wood.
I moved my desk out. It looks so much smaller here, but there's gonna be wallpaper here, and then I'm gonna move that, and it's gonna be cool. But my iMac is here, my chair. Here's me being an intellectual. Hello. What's up, guys? What do people do when they see
Do you
their
feel
desk?
scholarly? I hate to say it, but you can totally tell that the computer is black in the mirror. Hey, look, black mirror.
It's like when you're trying to get out of a social situation and you're like on your phone, but you're
there's
not on your phone.
actually nothing going on.
I'm really smart. I run a multi-million-dollar company.
Oh,
I'll have you know.
I know. I'm doing some video work for the multi-million-dollar company.
They've literally been opening like 20 boxes to find the air mattress because we're having a big slumber party. Okay, 11, whatever. And we finally found it. Amazing. Perfect. So when you walk in, we have this little entry thing. Joe actually, by the way, Joe is living here. And so is my cousin Justin. I feel like I haven't said that, but Joe is still in Texas.
Where's Joe?
Waxahachie. I don't know. Oh, this is just the city of Dallas. It's not the suburbs.
Ugh.
Cause like Pleasant Grove, University Park, yeah, it's just love field. It's just a city. So Joe got this for me 2 Christmases ago, which is really cute. So we'll have that hung up. He also got me this. Hold on, let me show you. He also got me this, and this used to be hanging up in his room in Texas, and I was like, that's so cute. I love that. So it says like, welcome to Texas, drive friendly. And then he got it framed for me for Christmas, which is like the most thoughtful gift ever. So I also want to put this out in the living room somewhere. Maybe if it matches our stuff, but so cute. I think I've already talked about the coffee table. I don't remember.
What about the coffee table?
Look, we have the Dallas Morning News from when Kennedy was assassinated, and then we have our 2 and 4 Dallas coasters that I also got with Joe from the JFK Museum. Love Texas.
Love living in Texas.
This is literally like Texas. My hair needs to just be chopped off. Yeah, should our house be Dallas, Los Angeles, or Texas, or Dallas, California, or Texas, California? I feel like Dallas, California sounds better. Yeah, so that's the deal with that. Love these French doors, like this whole space. Wow. I'll have a sitting area, probably more so. I don't even know. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I know that I am not worried about finding ways to fill this up. I'm worried about this becoming cluttered, and like this, I just don't like the brown, and I'm over it. And I don't know what to do because I really don't want to paint it, and I don't think I can. So I have ideas, but like none of them are really feasible. Also, I still have my private Twitter award, Zach.
Oh, amazing.
This is when I won Beverly Hills Dog Mom on our private Twitter awards. That was amazing. I'm so glad that happened. I also forgot about this book, and Joe just randomly got me this one day because he works at Barnes & Noble, and he said he saw it, and it's so cute, and it's Y'all Need This Book. And it's just the definitive guide of being a Texan. So this will also go on our coffee table. It's very, very cute. Okay, so for the first night in the new house, we have some little treats. So we're gonna be making some s'mores. Amazing, on the stove with a metal knife because we have nothing else, so. Oh, interesting. I know, I hated my other stove.
Kenzie, looks like this is the first official s'more.
The first s'more in the new house.
Doesn't hurt to kiss in there, be careful.
S'mores really kind of our, I guess it's not even just our thing, it's like the thing at my home.
Yeah.
You know, my apartment, rooftop, now, my stove, it's super fancy. Wow guys, just look how cute my room is. I'm just like, wow. There's trash there, but.
The ceiling fan has to stop.
This has got to go. This absolutely has got to go. Okay guys, we're all going to bed. That is the end of today's moving vlog. There will be more. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. It's 2 in the morning. I'm really tired. Okay, bye.